Welcome to our tutorial on how to enable categories on your Twitter profile using your PC. Follow these straightforward steps to enhance your profile. To get started, locate your profile image at the top right corner of the screen. Click on it to access your profile settings. Next, find and click on the button in the top right that says Edit Profile. Once you're in the Profile Editing section, scroll down until you see the option to Edit Professional Profile. Click on it to proceed. Within the Professional Profile settings, locate and check the box that says Show Category on Profile. This step will enable categories to be displayed on your profile. After enabling the category display, go back to the previous screen and ensure to click on the Save Changes button. Your profile settings are now updated with the category feature enabled. By following these steps, you can easily add categories to your Twitter profile on PC, providing more information and context to your followers. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more helpful tutorials.